Ultimate RV Show National Tour. We are having fun down in Florida, and right now it's all about our friends Jayco and the wonderful trailers that they make. Now, the Jayco one that I'm in right now is the Jay Feather, one of the top selling RVs for the last 15 plus years, mainly because of how Jayco makes everything. They put so much quality, so much thought, and so many amenities into their campers, whether it's high-end luxury or entry level. They got something that's right for you, just like we do with the Ultimate RV Show National Tour. Over 80,000 factory fresh RVs are coming. So if you like this one, absolutely get ready to text RV to 46642. If you say, Chris, I like it, but I need something a little bit different, get ready to text fresh to 46642. What do you say we take a look at this 27RL, a rear living floor plan that's about 32 feet long, roughly 31 and a half, weighs in at 5,800 pounds, dry weight, can easily sleep 3 people comfortably, 4, 5 if you count the, recliners, or if 2 if you have the trifold sofa like we have here, 2 additional. So you have options, which is great because some floor plans come with a booth dinette, some floor plans come with a freestanding dinette, some floor plans come with recliners, jackknife sofas, trifold sofas, whatever you want. There's going to be something for you here at the Ultimate RV Show. Now, rear wall is dominated by large panoramic windows with the wood valances, and they have this leatherette material that covers the valances. It not only looks good, but when you feel it, it just feels like you're in a resort cabin, a cabana, if you will. I mean, we are down in Florida, right? Why not go to the Keys in style? Thomas Paine recliners right there. I got myself a little stand in between with some storage, power ports, more storage up top. These are great. Jayco is great for really going anywhere with the manufacturing that they have, the climate guard insulation that they have. They have the Magnum Truss roof system, which has one of the strongest roofs you're going to find in the industry for not only insulation but for walking on, because we all know usually when you have problems it's going to be on the roof. And what they do even here with the flooring, check it out, Kev. Usually with the slides like we have here, you would have carpet on the slides. I like that this is the vinyl flooring just like we have here inside the rest of the cabin, but it matches not only the decor, it matches literally in line with the flooring, so you don't even look like you're having a slide that's separate. None of that just nasty knotted up carpet on the slide. You have a continuation of the room, which really opens it up and makes it feel more roomy in here. Leatherette booth dinette with storage underneath. This reduces down into a table. I got my little buttons here for my lights if I want to cut those on. I got the trifold sofa right there, which a lot of campers, they could just put a jackknife sofa in, but Jayco said, nope, we're going to throw in a trifold. You got the modified L-shaped kitchen here with the extension, solid surface countertops, molded edges. I got the 50/50 undermounted sink here too with the drying rack and the cutting board, high-rise faucet. I got my pop-up power station with USB and 110, flush-mounted burner, that 3-burner cooktop with the LED accent light, as well as the oven. Flush-mounted microwave, frosted glass inlay. Look, if you can see what I'm doing, I'm just trying to show you some of the highlights of the Jayco Jay Feather series. Now, we have specialists standing by who are ready to answer any questions that you might have. You might want to know exactly how high is this in the slide. You're looking at 5 feet 8 inches. You might want to say, okay, well, Chris, what about, this Dometic fridge freezer combo with the wood panel on it? How many cubic feet is that? All right, well, you're looking at 8 cubic feet. What about, right here, blah, 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 blah. What can I put in there? Are these removable? Do you have the option of taking the chairs out and putting maybe a jackknife sofa over there? Yes. The answer to that question is yes. Answer to everything is going to be yes. We have specialists standing by right now who will help you find the RV that's right for you. With 2021, it's about making sure that you get a chance to not only get out and see America the safest way possible, or come down here to Florida where we are this week, enjoy Disney World, enjoy the Keys, go to the Gulf, do whatever, go Santa Maria Island, just get out and go. You owe it to yourself. But it's about showing you the options that are available in so many RVs. With over 80,000 coming, there's going to be something for you. Entertainment center right here. I got more storage up top. I really like how I just knocked my glasses off my hat. I really like this dark inlaid frosted glass that we have here in the wood cabinets, plus the dark wood on the light interiors. You see that a lot in 2021 with the interiors. They brightened them up a little bit, but they left the accents dark, and they made the furniture dark as well because it's easier to clean, doesn't show stains as much, and shows less wear and tear. A pass-through bathroom, which to me is great, especially if you're a family who's looking to get out. Now, this one will sleep 3 to 5 comfortably. So if you want to bring the kids along with you, or you're an adventurous couple, or you want to set something up maybe at the golf course, or set something up near one of the lakes or down near the beach, and you know friends and family are going to be coming by, but you still want the separation of space, getting a floor plan like this is great for that, because I can shut Kevin off. I have my pass-through to the master, and there's a pass-through to the bathroom as well. So you're not going to be cramped, you're not going to be crowded, but you're also going to be able to be separate. So when you're ready to go relax and get some sleep in the master, boom, you can do it. We got the Neo angle shower right here, the brushed nickel hardware, the skylight inlaid right there, the large vanity sink. We got the medicine cabinet right here, got the corner mounted plastic bowl with the foot flush. And check out my storage space that we have here. Not only with the corner area, but Kev, I don't know if you can get in there or not. I know it's kind of tough. Kev's got this big old rig coming in. It's tight in this pass-through bathroom with that 600-pound camera on you, ain't it, Kev? And look, there's a hat. What is wrong with me? Okay, we come into the master. You got a large bed. You got cubby notches in the back with blue LED accent lights back there as well. As you can see, you got a little switch right here that controls your accent light. Storage shelf, storage up top, mirrored ward storage there. Plus, I got ward storage here. 110 power on both sides. Strut supported storage underneath the bed. And just all around good space. Now, some of the features of Jayco, they're wired for solar. They have the J Vision on everything. They have J Command. It's tons of options that Jayco just each year just keeps getting better and better at. They're innovative and they're really good at their space. That's why they're one of the top selling RVs, the top selling RV for the last 15 plus years. Now the one that I'm in right now is the 27 RL. This is the Jay Feather, starting at $31,195 or as low as $7.47 a day. Roughly 5,800 pounds. You're looking at 31 and a half feet long. This configuration that we're in right now will easily sleep, I'd say 3, 4, maybe even 5 people, especially with that trifold sofa. But when you come outside, you're gonna see another reason why Jayco, even for their entry-level RVs, is one of the top selling brands. The Jay Feather, we got the double axle, got the nitro filled, you got the Dexter Easy Lubes there, power output, you got the Glacier package and the Stronghold VBL. What is Stronghold VBL? That's vacuum bonded laminated walls. That just means that this is really good insulation, well built. So you can camp longer, not only in the season, but for the years to come. But listen to me, you have questions, our people are standing by to help answer them. I'm just here to try to show you how great this is, how great the RV life is, how great the lifestyle is. So you want to get some more information on this one, this is the 27 RL starting at $31,995 or as low as $7.47 a day. For your chance to get out and see Florida the safest way possible, drop me a comment down below, RV, or text RV to 46642. Let's keep rocking and rolling on this one. Double entry on this one too, which when I was talking about the separation of space on the inside, really comes into play for families because you can come and go from the master as you please. Friends and family can come and go as they please. One key for all the locks. That's a safety feature that Jayco is known for, or the key to like, both for the entry and the compartment doors. And check out my storage. This even comes into play, their quality and their construction when it comes to the pass-through storage. Finished off, lit safety. I have power ports here if I need it. Got my stabilizer jacks down there. Got the mini rock guard here, the 20-pound LP tanks, the powered tongue jack with LED light. But take a look at that molded fiberglass end cap, painted. Got the beautiful running lights right there. Come around to the other side of the pass-through storage. Got my battery disconnect. This is the, you might have seen the little plug on the side over there, the J Vision. This is what I'm talking about. These things are set up so that if you are driving down the road, you hit the right blinker, all the lights on the right side flash. Hit the left side, all the lights on the left side flash. It's just a safety feature that Jayco thought about, kind of like the Magnum Truss roofing, where they have one of the strongest roofs in the industry. External shower with hot and cold, black tank flush, my main terminations. Got the well insulated slides right here, your cable connection, G20 tint on the windows. What does that mean? It means there's not only safety sealed all the way around with these rubberized seals, but they're UV protected as well. Spare tire mounted on the back, 4x4 sewer hose storage, large arch ceilings, and you'll see, take a look at the way that that roof comes over the side, those double welds right there, how good that is with the construction, how strong that is. These are built right. That's why Jayco sells so many of them, because they're built right and they last. If you've been looking for a rear living camper and you say, Chris, all right, I want to know more about this Jayco Jay Feather. Can I get it delivered to me? Absolutely. Just text RV to 46642 or drop me a comment down below, RV. If you say, I kind of like this one, but we need bunks, we need blah, 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 maybe I want a fifth wheel, we got you covered there. Over 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming. Text FRESH to 46642. Leave me a comment down below, FRESH. If you just say, Chris, we're down here in Florida, we're doing the Copacabana, we're getting our cheeseburgers in paradise, I'm eating me some key lime pies and drinking me some mojitos, and I just realized I had to pay for parking, I had to pay to get in, and I'm around a bunch of people I don't know. But I think I got a pretty good deal on an RV. Can you help me out? Sure, we'll beat it. There are a lot of shows going on, but the only one you need to worry about is the Ultimate RV Show National Tour. We're gonna beat any deal. Camper World's got more inventory than anybody in the country. We're bigger. We have so many locations, over 150. We got you covered. But if you think you got something, just text BEAT to 46642 or drop me a comment down below, BEAT. This is all about them beautiful Jaycos as the Ultimate RV Show National Tour continues.